I've got myself a hold of this funky looking Toyota CHR. Stick around and we'll find out if it's a hero or a zero. Now, Toyota have always been a little bit safe when it comes to designing the cars, but with this thing, it looks like they've let the grandkids loose on it and they've gone a bit wild. There's sharp angles all over the place and these funky handles on the rear doors. But do you know what? I think it works. You get a choice of 18-inch wheels or 19-inch if you opt for the GR Sport. And one thing Toyota don't scrimp on is technology. You get a fair bit as standard, and if you upgrade the trim, well, there's a hell of a lot you can pack in. Now, on the Toyota website, these start at around £34,000. However, why not opt for a pre-loved option like this one, and you can save yourself a fair bit of cash. Just visit the website and take a look at what we've got in stock. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Underneath the bonnet, we've got a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine, and there's a 2 litre version as well. This one will give us around 120 brake horsepower. It's not the quickest car in the world, but you don't buy it for the speed, which is good because it takes about 11 seconds to get from 0 to 60. But one thing Toyota do well, and one thing you will get out of this, is excellent fuel economy. We've got a comfortable and spacious interior up front and in the rear seats. We've got Isofix for your child seats, and it makes the most of the boot space as well with a good 6 or 7 bag boot. The rear seats are split folding 60/40, so you can really make the most of that cargo space. One thing that always impresses me about Toyota is how smooth the cars drive. And as an SUV, you expect it to be smooth and handle the bumps in the road well, which it does. Around the corners, you get very little roll. Certainly not as much as you get in, say, the Qashqai or, say, a Tekka, both of which you can see reviews of on the channel. It's very agile around the corners. The steering is precise. It feels sturdy enough around the corners, yet it's light enough at lower speed maneuvers. The steering wheel you can turn very, very well. Now, as I said, Toyota pack a lot of technology into the cars. This particular model has got sat-nav, Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control. It's also got a lane assist warning, and it will assist in pulling you back into line as you drift over those lines. So it's really safe and intelligent. Now, one pretty cool feature that this car has got is intelligent parking assist. There we go, it's detected a space, so I stop, put it in reverse, and let's see what it does. Job done. How easy is that? Now, setting away from the lights, it uses the electric motor to gently ease away, but it's not quick, and if you put your foot down too harshly, the engine kicks in straight away. But it's not slow off the mark, to be fair. If you want to go, it's fairly quick to, say, 15, 20, maybe 30 miles an hour. It's not too bad. Travelling now at 35 miles an hour, if I want to overtake, I put my foot down. It revs quite high, but it's not loud, and we're up to 60 relatively quickly. But again, overtaking from 40, push to 60, there we go, and I'm around the cars in no time. So it's not bad for overtaking, to be fair. Over the rumble strips, it is extremely smooth. That is the smoothest I've ever driven a car over these rumble strips. So the Toyota CHR ticks a lot of boxes. It's strikingly stylish, it's comfortable, it's got enough space for the whole family, it's a great drive, and it's safe. Now, if you want to test drive this car, visit availablecar.com, where you'll also find another 4,000 cars that we've got in stock, or simply visit one of our 4 showrooms. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, hit the bell icon, and then you can keep up to date with all the upcoming videos. See you next time.